Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Nen kasngi ka arpsau tere ukala lingkon. Menteri kena ka sarkar pedang bapet ya ketenat ki kam korbari. Kiren Rijiju. Ulawan bo yu Mawnongrim bantai ka integrated checkpost jong ketenat custom. Naka banta bantai kini ka wene ki jakat rekam. Jong sarkar lamang pisah new folklore tingka. Bat labo ya ka thong ban pendam hapo arsnam. Hakani ki jelang lai don lang ru ki wede ki ripok mat ka jela. Bakan top yu MP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat ba Vincent H. Pala. Menteri ke sarkar jela bakmi ya ketenat ki kampo yang ba HDR lingdo Chairman jong ka Land Port Authority of India YS Sharawat ka Secretary jong ka Border Management jong ketenat Ministry of Home Affairs ka Sanjeevani Kuti nang tau High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh Uhas Vardhan Shringla bat lawan pensenganyi kini kejelang da kejadian lang kipat ba jong ka Thain Dawki.
Different organizations, be it called associations, be it called Association of Traders, Association of Exporters, Association of Miners, of different associations. I request them that these ports will not only for the people of Khasi and Jaintia, this port will be for all the people in India.
Kajing play, la play lenti, haka idea here. Lani haka kai ka pateng, kan rat deng kong. Ya ka jing duk jing kerduk kadai ka jing sha ka bomla ban len ba ka jing pen khlan ya ka khai ka pateng kan yarap ya ka yo ka kot jok jela hi baro ka wei dai len pa ka jing pen khlan ya ka khai ka pateng pat ki mar ki mata jok jela jongi kin kiu kador bat kin ya yo ba ka jing play ya ka di ka thiet ka warna bun ki jing mentoy namar ka ni kan play lat play lenti ya ka yo akot ha ka shnong jongi.
Wherever we are, whether we are in Delhi, we are in Mumbai, we are in Shillong, or we are in Dawki, or we are in the remote somewhere in the Himalayan region, we should not feel far from Delhi. Wherever we are, that is India. We have to develop that area. Why should we be always dependent on Delhi? This area is blessed with all the natural gifted resources. At the same time, we have a 98% of northeastern bordering with the neighboring countries. That should not be looked as isolation. That should be taken as our advantage. We should not let our borders to be a cause of concern, or we should not let it to be a frontier of isolation. We cannot become frontier of our own borders. We cannot remain isolated because we have a only 22-kilometer link with mainland India. Every part of India, even its island also, Andaman Nicobar also, is a part of India. So we should not feel that we are far from Delhi. We should feel that wherever we are, we have to make that area prosperous. We have to have a better relation with our neighboring countries. We have a potential people. The northeastern people are very vibrant. Northeastern people are very energetic. But when we see the parameters of economic development, the index shows that northeast is progressing slow. It is very sad. Every people of this region must think that what is the reason that we are lagging behind. To develop, we need peaceful atmosphere. If anybody is trying to create some trouble in this area, we must ensure that it should not be allowed to come up.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.